Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHEDC balayalam da National People's Party NPP kalapan kala ya edi rules kabapenlong kongsan ya barok ki kertong bakin dan ki sernat Scheduled Tribe ST nakabenta banyakun ki election jong ka council kata kabakhang persya ki bamde riulum hakasin kabaningkong nadu balapenlong ya ka council house nam katkandai spa sanpoar. Nakaliang umintri rangba kajala ukon rat ki sangma ulay ro kaniga sinjam kum kabansa khana haka history ka GHEDC kabalasyong hak dorbar kerpang hak arpulay trikulber. Menta kasngi hak dorbar jong ka district council kay yeng dorbar kala menjuri ka rai ka bakongsan kabansa khana hak history haka bala penlong kongsan nakabenta kinu ki kertong ki bayakun yaki election bakin dani ki sernat Scheduled Tribe ong ukonran haka jingalang hakmat ke office ke NPP Hatura. Kani kadai ka jingshim rai ka bakongsan bha ki district council haka jingshisha ki dai ki balamang kerpang tang nakabenta ki riulum jong kathan. Kadai ka jingdawa ka bala sateng la slam bha jong ki patba Henry hagi ni ki nyob south nam ki bala let no om shim ladan ka weiru ka sorkar ni ki district council ki bala ban le yakani ula ong. Kani ka amendment ka pendrung ya ka jingdon kam ya ka sernat ST hagi kindon election ka GHEDC ka bala khang no sendan ya ka linti ka bala island ya ki bamde riulum bagi nyenge kon election haki yingdor bar blasting tenrai hapo ka 6th schedule ban a jinga dai ka jingsan shar hi jong ki riulum. Na kalyang ukon rat sangma ula kerpat ban pedyang ya ka ni da ka bajai jai. Ngathikna babaro ki parlok bamde riulum kin sngoth pakani ka council ka dek batmu kerpang nakabenta ki riulum. Ngathikna bakandan ka jinga trilang na baro ki liang bat nginya trilang hapring ka jingsuk khanang wan penthikna baka rilum garo bat ka jela baro ka wei kanang ya shaprang. Kani ka jingshim rai kalawan long ru hadien ka rai jong ka sarkar jela ban panjela ni ka samoy trikam jong ka GHEDC dahan riu benai hadien kita yo jong ki jinga kan an ki jinga ki persya ka jinga shim benta jong ki bamde riulum haka election ka council ka balapun bana kham hashwa ban penlong haka shpo trik uyayong arja apun rio.
Today in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council in the special session, the EC and the House in fact today has passed a historic resolution or rather an amendment to the rules where it is made mandatory for any candidate who is contesting to have an ST certificate. This is truly a very historic moment and a very, very important decision, as we know that the district councils have already or traditionally been meant for the tribals of the region, and hence it is important that the conditions that have been introduced now in the Garo District Council should be brought in. And this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people. But for past 74 years, none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision. And I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast. And hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and in harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region forward. Thank you very much.